Welcome to your Zenful Heart Quick Bedtime Reset. I am so glad you are here. In just a few minutes, we are going to release the weight of your day, quiet your mind, and prepare your body and soul for deep, restful sleep. All you need to do right now is find a comfortable position and breathe. Before we go any further, I want you to take a moment to appreciate yourself for being here. In a world that is always asking more of you, always pulling your attention somewhere, you have chosen to stop, to be still, to give yourself this gift of rest. That is not a small thing. That is an act of love toward yourself. So take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, let yourself receive that. You deserve this rest. You have earned it. Now let your body grow even heavier, even softer, sinking deeper into the surface beneath you with every breath. Feel the quiet of this moment settling around you like a warm blanket. Now let your body grow heavier still, even softer, sinking deeper into the surface beneath you with every breath. There is nothing urgent here, nothing that cannot wait. This time belongs to you completely. So breathe in and out. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow breath out through your mouth. Again, breathe in and let it go. One more time, a deep breath in and a complete, releasing exhale. Good. You are here now. This moment is yours. Allow your body to settle into wherever you are lying or sitting. Feel the surface beneath you, the support of it, the solidity of it. You don't have to hold yourself up. You can let go completely. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let your jaw soften. Let your hands rest open, palms facing upward. A gesture of receiving, of releasing, of trust. Take one more slow breath in and out. You made it through another day. And now it is time to put that day away. Imagine that everything that happened today, every task, every worry, every conversation, every moment that didn't go the way you planned, is like a heavy backpack that you have been carrying on your shoulders. Feel the weight of it for just a moment. And now, gently, slowly, set it down. You can pick it up again tomorrow if you need to. But right now, in this moment, you don't need it. It is safe to put it down. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, feel that weight lifting from your shoulders. Feel your chest opening. Feel your whole body growing lighter. Any worries about tomorrow? Let them go for now. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Tonight, your only job is to rest. Any replaying of today's events, let them drift away like leaves on a slow river. You don't need to solve anything tonight. You don't need to figure anything out. Take a deep breath in and a long exhale out. The day is done. You did enough. You are Enough. Now let's travel gently through your body, releasing any remaining tension as we go. Bring your awareness to the top of your head, your scalp, your forehead. Let everything here soften and smooth out. Release any furrowing of the brow, any tension around the eyes. Let your eyes rest heavily in their sockets. Let your cheeks relax, your jaw unclench, your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Feel this softness moving down through your neck, your throat, releasing any words left unsaid, any emotions held tight. Down through your shoulders, your arms, your hands, letting go, letting go. Into your chest, feel your heart slow and steady, beating calmly, peacefully. Down through your belly, releasing any knots of anxiety, any tension stored here through the day. Into your lower back, your hips, releasing, softening. Down through your thighs, your knees, your calves, all the way down to your feet and your toes. Your whole body now soft, heavy, completely supported. Breathe in and out. You are safe. You are still. You are at rest. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. You have done enough today, and you will do enough tomorrow. Your mind can be still. Your body can be at rest. Whatever is unfinished will wait. Whatever is unresolved will find its way. Tonight you give yourself the gift of complete and total rest. Breathe in slowly and exhale fully. Feel yourself sinking deeper into comfort, deeper into stillness, deeper into the beautiful healing rest that your body and mind deserve. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do, nothing to figure out. Just this breath, and this one, and this one. Stay here as long as you need to. There is no rush, no place to be, nothing waiting for you on the other side of this moment. Just allow yourself to float, gently, peacefully, like a leaf resting on the surface of still water, held perfectly, completely at ease. Your breath slow and natural, your body heavy and warm, your mind quiet and clear. This is rest. This is healing. This is exactly what you needed tonight. Breathe in. You are safe. You are loved. You are held. Sweet dreams. And I will see you for your next reset. Good night. Thank you for joining us for your Zenful Heart Quick Bedtime Reset. If this helped you unwind tonight, please like and subscribe for more resets, sleep stories, and yoga nidra practices. New content every Tuesday and Friday, made with love. Good night.